Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I couldn't let the month of December pass without sharing some Christmas hauls and DIYs. So please stay tuned and leave in a comment what you would like to see, what store would you like for me to go to, and just what you're doing for the holidays. So today I'm going to share with you my Dollar Tree haul. And in the next few days, it'll be probably Five Below, Ollie's, and my favorite finds from Aldi's. So I'm going to start with the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to help somebody decorate today. So I just picked up a few items that I thought they might want to use in their decor. The first thing I picked up was this Christmas tree. They have it in green and in white. And it's like a tabletop tree. I don't see the dimensions on here, but it's just a tabletop tree and it's pretty sparse. So you can probably pick up two of them and just add them together to make it a little thicker. I also picked up these 5 LED icicle lights. So the way these lights look on the box that's all you're going to get in there, 5. So if you want to use it for something big, you'll probably have to pick up like 4 or 5 or more, depending on what you're using them for. So I picked up 3 of those. I also have this frosted window film. It used to come in the box, but now they have it in this, like a little, just a piece of cellophane to hold it in place. And when you buy it, make sure you look at it because they have different designs on it. So let me show you this one, if you can see it. It's like little triangle squares. But sometimes they have them with the snowflakes. So I picked up 3 of those. I have some batteries. I always get batteries. Some ornament hooks. And I have some removable hooks. I always get those when I'm doing decor because I never know when I'm going to need them. I bought these solar stake lights. And I'm guessing once they heat up, this may be on the inside, it might move around almost like a snow globe. I don't know yet. I'll have to try. So I bought a few of those. I think 4 or 5 or more. I bought some of this tinsel garland. Now, some people say, when I say it's tinsel, they say that's not tinsel, it's garland. Some people say it's not garland. But when I was younger, the tinsel was the little teeny skinny strings. So maybe because it's a combination of it, maybe that's why they call it tinsel garland. So, and it's 9 feet. So I bought a couple of those. I also got some picks. And I guess you can guess their colors are red and white. So I got just different picks. Each Family Dollar have a different selection. Not Family Dollar. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Each Dollar Tree has a different selection of their picks. And these are the ones that I picked up. And then I bought this long piece of garland here. So it's in a circle, but it's pretty long. I think that it says 9 feet. Nope, 15 feet. So the decor, the way you see it decorated on that picture is what I'm going to try to do. So that's why I bought the red picks. So, and I'm going to put in some of the garland. And also this year, Dollar Tree, not Family Dollar, Dollar Tree has a new collection, I'm going to call it, of decor. And I picked up this one. They have angels and snowmen of color. And this is the one I picked up. and I thought it was really nice and it was different and something new. So that was my quick haul from, oh, and tape. Don't forget the tape. You get 2 in here for $1.25. And don't forget the price is $1.25, not $1 anymore. So that's my quick haul from Dollar Tree. Hope you saw something that you liked. Hope it was informative. Please subscribe and come back and share me out. Have a blessed day. This is Ms. T. Enjoy your holiday. Bye-bye.